very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Let the DNA Express, Unlocking the Symphony of Life. Ladies and gentlemen, humans as a species on this extraordinary planet are united by a singular universal blueprint, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, passed from parents to offspring. DNA contains the specific instructions that make each human unique. Within this intricate double helix lies the essence of life, a molecular masterpiece that encodes the potential of every individual. At birth, humanity begins its journey on an equal foundation, carrying the same fundamental genetic code. Yet, as life unfolds, no two individuals remain the same. Differences emerge: physical, mental, emotional, and cultural, shaped by the profound phenomena of DNA expression. DNA, often described as the instruction manual for life, resides in the nucleus of nearly every cell in the human body. It functions as a library of genetic instructions that, when expressed, direct the production of proteins, the building blocks of life. This process, known as gene expression, determines how cells grow, function, and adapt. Gene expression is influenced by signals both within the body and from the external environment. Internally, cellular mechanisms, biochemicals, and hormones regulate the process. Externally, factors such as nutrition, sunlight, thoughts, emotions, and social interactions create conditions that either enhance or suppress genetic activity. DNA is not static. It is responsive, orchestrating the body's functionality in dynamic interaction with its surroundings. Science, through the field of epigenetics, has revealed that while DNA serves as the blueprint, its expression is adaptable. The choices made in daily life, consciously or unconsciously, can determine how genes are activated or silenced, profoundly impacting health and well-being. This malleability transforms the understanding of destiny. DNA sets the stage, but lifestyle, environment, and mindset shape the performance. Consider the powerful examples of positive DNA expression. Intellectual stimulation and learning activate genes linked to brain plasticity, enhancing memory and cognitive growth. Sunlight, by regulating circadian rhythms, influences the production of hormones like melatonin and serotonin, which govern sleep patterns, emotional stability, and energy levels. This circadian connection extends beyond sunlight, aligning human biology with many other natural cycles and phenomena. Even thoughts, calm, purposeful, or optimistic, modulate genetic activity, reducing inflammation and boosting emotional resilience. These factors demonstrate how conscious nurturing of the body and mind creates an environment for the DNA to express its best potential. However, just as DNA thrives on healthy inputs, it can falter under harmful influences, with stress being among the most damaging. Emotional stress, in particular, stands as a silent disruptor, altering gene expression in ways that impair both physical and mental health. Chronic emotional distress arising from grief, anxiety, unresolved conflicts, or persistent worry triggers an overproduction of cortisol, the body's stress hormone. Elevated cortisol not only suppresses immune function but also accelerates cellular aging by shortening telomeres, the protective caps on chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures located inside the nucleus of cells. Each chromosome is made of protein and a single molecule of DNA. The above underscores the profound link between emotions and DNA health, highlighting the urgent need to manage stress for long-term well-being. These insights underscore a critical reality. DNA is not a rigid determinant of life, but a flexible, interactive script. Research shows that regular exercise can influence genes associated with brain health, reducing risks of neurodegenerative diseases. Similarly, a balanced diet rich in nutrients positively modulates genes linked to immunity, longevity, and resilience. These are not abstract concepts but practical evidence of how conscious choices can unlock the potential encoded within the DNA fully. This interplay extends beyond individuals to communities and societies. Environments rich in nutrition, clean air, education, and opportunities foster healthier genetic expressions at a collective level. In contrast, settings marked by pollution, inequality, and neglect can suppress DNA's potential, perpetuating cycles of ill health and underdevelopment. This places a shared responsibility on individuals, institutions, and governments to create ecosystems where both humans and their genes can thrive. The message is clear. DNA is not a limitation, but a reservoir of infinite possibilities. It is the common thread that binds humanity, yet its expression celebrates individuality. When nourished with care, DNA becomes a catalyst for resilience, creativity, and progress. Neglecting its needs, however, can lead to lives unfulfilled with consequences for individuals and society alike. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, let the DNA express. Let it flourish with the nutrients of health, harmony, and purpose. Let it transcend hereditary confines to compose a symphony of strength and growth, a masterpiece for the individual and a legacy for the collective evolution of humanity. This is humanity's sacred duty to honor the divine code within, to nurture its expression with mindful living, and to create conditions where its potential can fully unfold. By doing so, the melody of life will resonate not only within individuals but across generations, echoing the brilliance of creation itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.